Unboxing the Copper Comfort Memory Foam mattress is quite simple, but there's a few steps you'll want to follow. This is a full-size mattress. It comes in a box that's approximately 15 by 15 by 42 inches. The Copper Comfort Memory Foam mattress is made in the USA with 100% American components. When you're cutting the tape on the box, it's very important that you place the knife blade parallel to the surface that you're cutting. That way you won't accidentally puncture your brand new mattress. Once you open the box, you'll find that the mattress is compressed in an airtight plastic container and it's already roll packed for you. As this is a bit of a heavier mattress, I recommend taking it out of the cardboard box while it's still on the floor, removing it from the box, and then tilting the product onto the foundation that you're using. Sometimes it's nice to have an extra hand for this step. It's very important that when we start to unwrap the mattress that you make sure that it's acclimated to room temperature. Viscoelastic memory foam can be damaged if it's too cold and then allowed to expand. Now the first thing that we need to do is remove the outer sheath that's wrapped around the product that's holding it into this tubular shape. I recommend using your hands to do this. Again, it avoids the potential puncturing of your brand new mattress with a knife blade. It doesn't take too long to go from end to end to do this. Once you reach the end of this outer sheath, you'll find that it's wrapped around the mattress 2 or 3 times. So what you'll want to do is slowly unroll the mattress and then unwind this outer sheath. Now once you reach the end of this outer sheath, once you find where you've unwrapped the product completely, you'll find that it's heat sealed to the inner plastic lining which goes around the mattress that's keeping it airtight and compressed. Do not rip the outer sheath away from this inner plastic lining, as the mattress will begin to immediately inflate before you have it properly positioned. So now that you've reached the end of this outer sheath, you can unroll the mattress itself, and then you'll find that it's folded over once. Again, without puncturing the inner plastic layer, unfold the mattress and reposition it appropriately on top of the foundation. Once we have it reoriented, we can start to re-inflate the product. I recommend using your hand again instead of a knife and ripping one of the corners of the product and allowing air to get into the mattress, and you'll watch that it will immediately inflate. Start at one corner and then go to the other end of the mattress and let air get into the other side, ripping open the top layer of the mattress, connecting those 2 corners. This product uses a fast recovery memory foam, and you'll see that it inflates very quickly. To remove the plastic from the product, I recommend keeping the product in the same place and sliding the plastic out from underneath the mattress itself. This will make things much easier for you. Immediately after unboxing your mattress, you may notice some wrinkles on the border panel. This is completely normal. Once the mattress fully inflates, these wrinkles will be removed. There is a spandex component to the fabric used on the product. You want to let your mattress rest for 24 hours, and after that, reposition it on the foundation, and you're ready to enjoy your brand new Copper Comfort Memory Foam mattress.